Paying for a $300 a month CRM is now optional. I'm going to prove it in the next few minutes by showing you how to build a fully functional CRM for less than the price of a cup of coffee using the new Opus 4.7 model. No monthly fees, no transaction costs, no plugins, just a CRM you actually own and built to your own custom requirements. If you've been on the fence about ditching your expensive CRM subscription, this video is for you. Let me show you what CRM software costs right now. Pipedrive is $49 per user per month. Got a team of 3, that's $150 a month just to track your leads. GoHighLevel, $297 a month, and that is their middle tier. HubSpot Professional, $800 a month. That's $800, and they still charge you extra for onboarding. Small businesses are paying thousands a year for CRM software, and most of them are using maybe 10% of what they're paying for. A contact list, a pipeline, maybe a form on their website, that's it. So what if you could just have the 10%, the stuff you actually use every day, and pay nothing? And that's exactly what we're going to build today. All right, this is LeadStack, but if you set it up, you can call it whatever you like. What I'm going to show you is everything that you can have set up and running in less than 60 minutes. Your own CRM, just the way you want it. So out of the box, you get contacts with search, CSV import, full activity timeline, a 6-stage drag and drop pipeline Kanban, form builder that auto creates leads, a calendar, tasks, email, SMS, and reports, plus global search that works across everything. All right, let's jump over into the dashboard and take a look. Now, just before I get started and run through these features, there's something I want to point out. I've worked with Oracle, I've worked with Microsoft, and there's one thing I know for sure. Everyone always wants their own features, their own tools, their own nuances that works for their own business. And so when you're looking at this application, think of it like anything you see, you can customize this and change it to be your own. You are not forced into this. That is how it is, and this is what you get. All right, so the main dashboard, we've got open deals, pipeline value, won this month, new contacts in the last 7 days. We've got the pipeline snapshot, and this is all customizable. Next, we've got the basic contact listing. If you want to add a new contact, just click here. If you want to import or export, just one click, you own it. Some apps actually charge you to export, import contacts, which is crazy. Next, the pipeline. This is the bit I think is really cool. It's the Kanban style. So we can move stuff around. So if this one moves to proposal phase, this one moves up to qualified. Maybe we won this one and we've lost. So this is kind of cool. Now to add a new deal, pretty easy. Just click on new deal, put in the details, press create. Next, we've got the calendar. Pretty standard kind of stuff. We can add a new event, and this flows through the system. We have tasks, so you can create a new task. And then we can see we've got upcoming tasks. The form feature, so you can create a form, create a new form, give it a name, create an edit. I've already got one here, so we can take a look. This is the form that you can put out on website or a link or a call to action. When someone completes it, obviously you get the contact, you get the details, and it triggers your other workflows. Could be SMS and email. Forms are all customizable. You can click on the edit. You can add additional fields, modify the existing fields, the messaging, all of that. Next, we've got reports. Again, this is all customizable. Move around. Whatever your business needs, you can make this just the way you want it. And the standard old settings. So let me show you how easy it is to get this running. Step 1, you clone LeadStack template, and that gives you your own copy of the entire code base. Everything you just saw, contacts, pipeline, forms, reports, all of it sitting on your machine, ready to go. Step 2, you open Claude Code and you tell it to walk you through the setup. It'll ask you for Firebase keys, resend keys, Twilio credentials, and then it updates all of that for you. You don't need to dig through any config files or guess where things go. You just paste in the keys and Claude handles the rest. Step 3, you run it locally. And this is where it gets fun because you know it's your CRM. If you don't like the pipeline stages, you tell Claude to change them. If you want a different color scheme, done. You want to add a new field, no problem. Claude Code with Opus 4.7 makes customizing this so easy. Just describe what you want. 3 steps: clone it, configure it, and make it yours. All right, let's build this thing. The first thing you need to do is head to the school community. There'll be a link in the description. When you're in here, you want to click over on the right-hand side and click Get the LeadStack CRM. Once you've done that, you will get an email from GitHub saying you now have access to the LeadStack CRM boilerplate. Once you have that, you need to run this command in VS Code and you are off to the races. All right, so let's run this command. First thing we need to do in VS Code, you can see I've got the Claude Code for VS Code extension. Now I've just updated it a few hours ago, as it says over here. And down in the terminal section, you can see I'm also using the latest version of Claude Code, which is Opus 4.7 with a 1 million context window. So with that done, I'm just going to go back to this other terminal and I'm just going to paste in that command. Now that's all it took. About 10 seconds and we have the cloned version of the CRM app. Now there's just 2 commands we need and the app is up and running and we can start connecting and modifying. So that entire process literally took less than 60 seconds and our app is up and running on our local server. Next, we just ask Claude to guide us through the setup. Okay, so the next step is we're just going to ask Claude to explain what this whole app is about and ask it if it can help us with the setup. So I'm just going to enter in here. Can you explain the built-in features of this CRM app and guide me through the setup process, assuming I have never written a line of code ever? So what Claude is going to do now is going to look at the claude.md file. It's going to look at the setup file and it'll understand the full process to take you from the current running build to the final complete production ready live version. And you can see it's come back with all the features that I've already explained: landing page, sign up, dashboard, contacts, pipeline, calendar, tasks, forms, reports, all of this good stuff, right? The setup, honest overview. You need to sign up for 5 free services: Firebase, Stripe, Resend, Twilio, and Vercel. Now, Stripe's optionally, it says required for billing. So if you want to resell this, you can, but you can also just use it for your own business. And that says ready to start, and it will walk you through it. Now, this is what it looks like at the end. And once all of that is done, you have a live app that is production ready. So we can head into the dashboard, and here it is. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, that's great, but how do I customize it and how do I make it my own? So let's say we want priority badges on our pipeline cards. So we might have high, medium, low, just as a visual indicator of what to focus on. If we go back over to Claude into the chat and we just ask this, say add a priority field to deals, it should be a drop down with 3 options: high, medium, and low. Run this, Claude will update the code, we refresh it, and then we'll have our new feature. So any new features you want, you literally just ask Claude in natural language, refresh, iterate, and just make it your own. Okay, so Claude has finished that customization request. You can see there's an M on all the cards now for medium. If you double click on one, you can see the priority here, so you can change it to low or high. And really doing any customization is as easy as asking Claude to make the change and iterate it until you're happy with it. So hope you got a bit of value out of this video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to use this boilerplate to build a CRM and maybe save a few dollars, and even more important, have a tool that works for your business, grab it. Let me know what you think.